Dear students, today I start fourth module, that is curve fitting and line of regression. So first I explain curve fitting. Okay, curve fitting by the first topic is curve fitting by the method of least square method. So curve fitting, it means, okay, here we know your x value is given, your x value 2, 3, 6, 9, 10, 15, 17 is there. Corresponding y value is given of an unknown function, 2, 4, 8, 11, 18, 23, 27 and 38. Now plot the graph. Your x and y axis, x value start 2, 3, 9, 10, 15, 17. Corresponding y value 5, 10, 15, 20. Here x is equal to 2, corresponding y value 2, 3 means your 8, x is equal to 6 means here 6, corresponding y value 11, like that. Here depending on this point. So here using this one, we just we point out this line. So here using this one, here we have to go then here we join this point. Okay, but here we need to find the relation of this point. Relation of this point means we need to find the equation of this line. So using this point, so in this case we go to curve fitting. The curve fitting, here we explain two relation. One is with the curve fitting by least square method. By least square method, it means curve fitting is a method of finding a suitable relation. Curve fitting is a method of finding a suitable relation in the form of y is equal to f of x for a set of observed value. By the set of observed value, for example, it is in the form of ax square plus b. So here in this case we discuss two relation. One is equation of a straight line, y is equal to a plus bx, and another one is equation of a parabola, that is a plus bx plus cx square. Okay, so we discuss only two relation. One is equation of a straight line and also another one is equation of a parabola, that is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Just using the data, just we have to find a and b value. A and b value set in this equation, we get the relation of the given data. So here one small derivation is there. So for here using normal equation, we have to find a and also b value. So for finding normal equation, one small derivation is there. So I neglect the derivation, just I write the normal equation. So it is normal equation is very simple. It is very easy to write the normal equation. So the equation of a straight line, it is in the form of y is equal to a plus bx. Now y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so your a coefficient is 1. So directly take summation on both sides, that is summation of y is equal to summation a plus b summation of b into x, that is summation y is equal to summation a means here a plus a plus a plus it is goes to nth term. So it can be done as na plus b is constant, take it outside, that is b into summation x. So second coefficient is b. Your b is called, here whose coefficient is x. So multiplied x on both sides and simultaneously take summation on both sides, that is summation xy, which is equal to a into summation x plus b into x square. Okay, so summation xy, which is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. So this two is called as a normal equation, and one thing, your a and b value is called as a parameter. Okay, and suppose the normal equation is in the form of y plus y is equal to ax plus b, then your first parameter is a. So first multiplied x on both sides and simultaneously take summation, that is summation xy is equal to a into x square plus b into summation x. Okay, second parameter is b, whose coefficient is 1, just take summation, that is summation y is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation b can written as summation b. Okay, next we come to equation of a parabola. Equation of a parabola, here totally 3 parameter is there, a, b, c. Here also by using normal equation, just we have to find the a, b, c value by using the given data, just substitute. Okay, so y is equal to, first parameter is a, whose coefficient is 1. Just take summation on both sides. That is summation y is equal to summation a can written as na plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. Second parameter is b, whose coefficient is x. So multiplied x on both sides. That is summation xy, which is equal to a into summation x plus c b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. Third parameter is c, whose coefficient is x square, multiplied x square on both sides. That is summation x square y is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x square into x square is x to the power of 4. So here just simplify, here find abc value we get substitute in this equation, we get one equation. That equation is the relation of the unknown data of the given data. Okay, so first I discuss problems on a equation of a straight line in the form of y is equal to ax plus b. First write the normal equation. Okay, so here in this problem, fit a straight line of y is equal to ax plus b for the following data. Data is x value 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, corresponding y value 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8. First write down the normal equation. So given equation is, clearly observe, y is equal to ax plus b na. First parameter is a, whose coefficient is x, multiplied x on both sides and take the summation. That is summation xy, which is equal to a into summation x square. X into x is x square plus b into summation x. Second parameter is b, whose coefficient is 1. Just take summation on both sides. That is summation y is equal to a into summation x plus summation b. Summation b can written as nb. Call it as equation number 1. Now using the data, first find summation x square, summation y and also summation xy value. So write down given x value 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11. Corresponding y value 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8. Summation x means add 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11. So which is equal to summation x value 56. Okay, y value 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. Total summation y value 40. Okay, now next x square, 1 square value 1, 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16, 6 square value 36, 8 square value 64, 9 square value 81, x square 11 square value 121. Now add, that is 1 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64 plus 81 plus 121. So total summation x square value 524. Okay, next xy multiplied, 1 into 1 is 1, 3 2s are 6, 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24, 8 5s are 40. Okay, 9 7s are, sorry, I skip another point, 14. Summation x value 15, summation another value 9, summation y value 9, this is 9, summation y value 40, 14 square value 120, 14 square value 196, then summation x square value 524, then correct. 9 7s are 63, 11 8s are 88, 14 9s are 126, then summation xy value 364. Now all the values set in this equation. So summation xy value here, a into x square, value 524 into a plus b into x, that is 56 into b, which is equal to summation xy value 364 nb, a into summation x, that is 456 into a plus nb means number of term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 8b, which is equal to summation y value 40. Now simplify this simultaneous equation. There is no rule by using basic method to find basic method to solve this simultaneous equation. Just using calci directly find a and b value. So simplify, here we get a value 0.64 and b value 0.55. Okay, then these two equations up to the given equation. Therefore equation of straight line is equal to ax plus b, that is y is equal to 0.64x plus 0.55. Like that we have to find the relation. So I take one more problem to explain. Here fit a straight line of y is equal in the form y is equal to a plus bx for the data x value 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, y value 16, 19, 23, 26, 30. Okay, your x value. First write the normal equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx. First parameter is a, whose coefficient is 1. Just take the summation, that is summation y is equal to summation a, that is na plus b into summation x. B coefficient is x, just multiplied x on both sides, then summation xy, which is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Call it as equation number 1. Now using the given data, first find summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation xy. So first write down x value 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Corresponding y value 16, 19, 23, 26, 30. Okay, now find summation x. Summation x means add 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25, which is equal to 75. Okay, next summation x y value 16 plus 19 plus 23 plus 26 plus 30, that is summation y value 114. Then find x square. 5 5 is 25, 10 square value 100, 15 square value 225, 20 square value 400, 25 value 625. Add x square, that is 25 plus 100 plus 225 plus 400 plus 625, that is 1375. At last find xy value multiplied. 16 5 is 80. Okay, 10 into 19 is 190. 15 into 23 value 345. 20 into 26 is 520. Next 25 into 30 value 750. Then summation xy value 1885. Now all the value set in this equation. So summation a, n means your number of term. How many term is there? 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore n is equal to 5. Now all the values set in 1. So that is 5a plus b into summation x, 75 into b, which is equal to summation y 114. Okay, next a into summation x, 75 into a, b into x square means 1375 into b, which is equal to summation xy 1885. Now solve this simultaneous equation. find A and B value. Here A value 12.3 and B value 0.7. So now these two values substitute in equation of a straight line, that is y is equal to a plus bx, that is y is equal to 12.3 plus 0.7 into x is the relation of the given data. Equation of this relation is a straight line. Like that we had to solve, like that we had to find a relation using the given data. Thank you.